everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I'm Erin, and for today's video we are going to be doing some unbagging slash unboxing of some little mystery figurines. Now, I've seen a whole bunch of videos of people unboxing different little vinyl figures from like Kid Robot and Funko and stuff like that. And we just happened to be in Walmart today, so I decided to see what they had. As far as like the Funko vinyl ones, I'm kind of kicking myself. They did have some Disney ones that were mostly like Disney villains that were really cute, but the cheapskate in me decided not to get those, and I just got some smaller ones today. I picked up 3 different kinds. I have 4 of the Tsum Tsum, the Disney Tsum Tsum mystery bags, and then I decided to delve into the world of Squishies today too, which didn't know I wanted to, but decided, what the hell, we'll give it a go. So I have 2 Soft and Slow Squishy Surprise boxes from Walmart as well, and they look like this. I'll give you a closer look at the box when I get to opening them. And then I was really hoping they had more of these, but they didn't. They're like these squishy My Little Pony mystery thingies. There are 6 in the series, I guess. And I really wanted to get more of these, except for somebody tried to sabotage me. There were Paw Patrol squishies in the My Little Pony thing, and they only had 1 My Little Pony. So I grabbed that, and then I'll check and see again next time I go if I think this is cool to grab some more of those. Or I may just stop being a cheapskate and get the bigger vinyl figures that I wanted to get in the first place. Alright, so I figure we'll go in order of least to most, so we'll do the My Little Pony first, then the 2 Squishies, and then I have 4 of those Tsum Tsum things. This is what the My Little Pony container looks like, and there are apparently 6 in the series, and when I wiggle it around I can tell that it's like a gelatinous, squishy My Little Pony that's in there. So I'm excited to see what I have here. Sorry for the water noise that was in the beginning of this. I totally forgot to turn off the filter to my fish tank so it doesn't sound like a waterfall in here when I'm videoing. But it should be better now. Anyway, there are 6 in the series of this My Little Pony thing. It is made by Fashion's Squishy Fashion Fun. And none of these have like the other vinyl figures that I've seen where it's like there's 1 out of 24 and what probability which ones are super rare and which ones aren't, and what's the probability you'll get a figure. It has 6 little ponies on the front of here. To be honest, I'm not up to speed on my Little Pony. I apologize for that, but I did really like them when I was little. And I can't open this thing. So I'm trying to open it. It's supposed to be perforated. There we go. So take this off. And it's wrapped up. Oh, it's super cute. What's in here? So it is super cute. Just has a little piece of paper in there. I got this pink My Little Pony. It is super squishy. You can actually, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you can kind of see the liquid in the head. But it's super squishy. It is the pink one with the balloons on the bottom. And like I said, I am not up to snuff on my Little Pony characters. So if you know which character this is, let me know in the comments down below. So now I really want to get the rest of these because they are super cute. That's what the back looks like. Okay, so up next we are going to be doing the Soft and Slow Squishy Surprise. 1 surprise character. I don't think it really says how many there are that you can get, but there's a whole bunch of different characters on the front. This is what the boxes look like. There we go, a little focusing action. That's the front, inside, and the back. That's what the top looks like. So like I said, it doesn't say how many you get in this. I had to use a little bit of scissor action on that one. Plastic off. Like I said, this is like excuse the plastic bag noise, Dixie has it attached to her foot and she just brought it into bed with her. Whatever. So this is my first delve into the world of Squishies. I didn't really know what all the hype was. And then I saw some mystery unboxings of those as well, or just unboxings in general of Squishies. And I think they're so cool now. So I think I'll start collecting some. I have anxiety issues, so I think that these will kind of help out with something to squish on. So the one I got is really cute. It's a little pink kitty cat. This is what the front looks like. Come on, camera, a little focusing action. There we go. And it's laying down. Look at this little bum. That's what this looks like. And as you can see, they're super, super squishy. I like them. That is really, really cute. And apparently it's stamped on the belly. But like I said, super cute, super squishy. Okay, moving on to squishy number 2. Handy dandy scissors. Open this up. So, like I said, I really like the concept of these mystery box things. So I'll definitely be doing some more of these unboxings as well. The ones I really want, of course, are the expensive ones. So they might be a little bit few and far between. I love it. I got a little green frog. He's very, very cute. Look at his little face. He's very happy. He has his little squishy legs. This is what his little bottom looks like. Let's make him squish. Make him come back. Try again. Make him squish. Make him come back. Yeah. So never realized how much I thought that these squishies would be cool. Now I see what the hype is. Who knew? Alright, we'll move on to the little Disney Tsum Tsums. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. You can always correct me and let me know. Hey, don't be dumb. This is how you say it. So these I thought were really cute. There are 12 apparently that you can collect. And again, they don't put like how many, like what your odds are of getting what. There are 12 different characters you can get. Pluto, White Rabbit, Baymax, Patch, Donald, Dopey, Alice, Bambi, Jasmine, Woody, Genie, and Tinkerbell. And they're on their stomach like the normal little Tsum Tsums are. But they also come with like an accessory that you can stack them on. This is what the front of the package looks like. Has little characters. And then here is what the characters on the back look like. Focus, see if we can get in a little bit further. So those are all the different characters that you can get. And this is series 3. So we'll see what we get. Hopefully no duplicates. And these aren't like the other bags that you get where they wrap them. So you can kind of guess what you're getting. Wow, there's a lot in here. Alright, so I got Dopey, it looks like. And it came with Dopey, the little mine cart, and the little jewel to put Dopey on. This is what it looks like in the plastic. I will open it up and put it together. So what are your thoughts on these mystery bags? Do you think they're a waste of money, or do you think that if you think something is cute, that they're worth it? These are super cute. I'm glad that I got them. These ones are actually really cheap. They were only $1.98 at Walmart, so that's not bad. Considering that the bigger ones can be anywhere from like $6 to more than that a piece. And like I said, I almost got those Disney villain ones. I am so tempted to actually go back and grab them, even though I probably shouldn't. So, like I said, you get the little Dopey. There we go, focusing. Little Dopey Tsum Tsum, he's very cute. This is what he looks like. And then, like I said, there's this little jewel. And this attaches to this little mine car that you get. These little diamonds and the wheels. So let me put this together and see how we do this. It's like a little puzzle. So I guess you just take him. Ooh, he's gonna fall. And then you just, I knew it, he's gonna fall. So obviously you kind of have to stack these on something, stack them on something to where they're not going to fall off, but that's how you do it. Very cute. I can't wait to see what the other ones are that we got. Alright, on to character number 2. So this one has 2 pieces, and again, very cute. It is Donald Duck and his little life raft that says SS Miss Daisy. And this is what the little Donald looks like. There we go. Focus on Donald. Very cute. And these are pretty tiny, like you can see. I think they're definitely worth $1.98 though. And then here's his little life preserver. And I like this one more because he's definitely going to stay in here a lot better than Dopey was doing. But here he is in his little life preserver. How cute. We're on a roll. Moving on to number 3. Well, this one comes with 3 pieces as well. We got the white rabbit. And it looks like he comes with a little clock. I'm not really too sure how this works, but we'll figure it out. Not too sure how this works. Anyway, here is the little white rabbit. Super cute. Look at his little cottontail. And then this, I can't really get it to stay together. It's supposed to be his little stopwatch, and I guess this goes on here like this, but it's not fitting in there very nicely. Unless, haha, I had it upside down. Helps if you put things together correctly. Anyway, here's a little stopwatch. It has a little diamond on the top. There we go. Focus on this. There we go. So this little clock, and it goes like this. So the side looks like. Then you take your little white rabbit and you stack him like so. Super cute. Look at his little ponytail. So that's what that looks like. Alright, moving on to the last one. Cool, we got all different ones, so that makes me happy. This one is Pluto, and he comes with 3 pieces as well. He comes with this little dog house. Put the roof on the dog house. Doing it backwards again. It's a lot like my life. Okie dokie. This is what little Pluto looks like. Little Pluto. Little tail. This is what his little dog house looks like. Alright, so this is what Pluto looks like in his little dog house. Little butt hanging out the back. So overall, definitely very pleased with them. I think they're super cute, and I'm glad I didn't get any duplicates. I know that that is definitely a possibility when you do these things. So I think I just kind of lucked out that I didn't get any duplicates. But I definitely think I want to go pick up some more vinyl figures. Just another collection of crap that I need around my house. But I have an idea to like put a shelf back here or over there in my room. In my office, just to put the little figurines on. I think they're cool, and I definitely think they'll be cool collectibles to have. I like the Disney ones. There's Harry Potter ones that I definitely want to take a look at and stuff, so be on the lookout for more videos of some more mystery unbagging / unboxing. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe down below. And if you want to be notified, maybe because sometimes YouTube doesn't actually notify you, go ahead and hit the little bell button next to the subscription, and that will notify you every time I post new videos. Alright guys, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye!